Well, hello everyone, and welcome for tuning in. I'm Joel Tucker at Veering's RV Center, Grand Rapids, Michigan, where I want to share with you today a beautiful brand new floor plan by Keystone RV. It's the Hideout 29DFS, which features two fireplaces, one inside and one outside. Now, this is going to be a hot floor plan this year, so please pay attention and give me a call with any questions at 616-965-9623. So buckle up and let's go take a look. So let's start on the exterior of this great new floor plan by Keystone RV. Now, this is a 29-foot camper, one single slide, weighs 7,100 pounds, so if you have a half-ton truck, large SUV, you can pull this. Let's start on the back of it, where you can see it has a secondary door right to the bedroom for easy entering and exiting, with your 3-level steps as well. You have a front pass-through storage all the way through, nice size there for all your camp gear. We have a nice size power awning here. So great area for you to set up your camp chairs, your picnic table, and have a great time outside. It has LED lights and outside speakers as well. Now, the key feature on this brand new floor plan is going to be your exterior fireplace. Now, this is great for those who want the ambience, but not the hassle of having to start a fire. So this is a great option here. Great thing is that when you are camping outside, you have your awning out here, you will not get any smoke issues with having a fireplace versus a real fire. So a great feature, I know you'll love it. We do have your solid steps here, which opens up, flips up into the door frame here. Very solid area for you to walk in and out. It's nice for children or for older folks. Large grab handle to enter and exit pretty easily. And another cool feature is going to be your outdoor kitchen with 2-burner cooktop and refrigerator. Overall, it has a lot of stuff going on the outside, but more on the inside. So let's go take a look. Well, welcome inside your brand new Keystone Hideout 29DFS. Now, this floor plan offers a large super slide, 2 bunks in the back which are nice size bunk beds, and a front master bedroom. As you can see in our super slide here, you have a lot of things going on. You have some nice lighting, you have pleated shades for your privacy, you have a jackknife sofa for extra sleeping and storage, you have a huge U-shaped dinette with a table that can move around for extra sleeping, and then also a nice spot for you to sit down, have dinner, and play games. As we move over to your kitchen area, you'll notice they redesigned this floor plan and the kitchen to give you ample storage and countertop space. You have a single bowl stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet with pull-out faucet, and some nice storage behind here and some nice ambient lighting, as well as some nice backsplashes. So you got a nice spice rack up here. You have a nice storage beneath the sink here. Look at this, guys. One open area right here, and this one has actually a shelf in it. I've never seen a kitchen that actually has a shelf and a wide open area for trash, for bigger pots and pans items, things like that. You will enjoy that immensely. And again, you have more cabinetry up top here with a lighted glass insert here in your upper cabinet. You have your Freon cooktop, which is flush mount, more storage space here. It does flip up if you do want to use it as a backsplash as well, and a nice size oven. And then of course you have your vent fan with a light and your high point microwave. And right next door will be your 6.3 cubic foot refrigerator, which runs on both propane and electricity. So now let's move to the rear of this Keystone Hideout to show you the entertainment wall right here, right across from your sofa. So this is a 50-inch Jensen television meant to be in an RV, meant for the vibrations and for the temperature change. Right below that will be your entertainment center, which is a CD, DVD player, Bluetooth radio as well. And then brand new this year in this kind of floor plan will be your fireplace. The gray stone fireplace will kick out a lot of heat and a nice ambient look. You will not find a better camper with these features than in this Keystone Hideout. But they've gone a step further this year. They totally redesigned the storage areas in this camper to give you a hidden storage pantry. Now check this out. Grab up top here, you pull it open, and voila, you have a hidden secret pantry back here for all your canned goods, your box goods, your hidden, whatever you want to keep hidden. You have a nice area here back here in this hideout. And another cool thing is that if you have kids back on the back bunk here, on your 2 double bunks, they can actually watch the television by having the door swing open. So it has a double feature there, storage plus an area for the kids to watch a movie and hang out with their friends. You do see you have bunk ladders so you get up and into the top bunk. You have storage beneath the bottom bunk with these doors here, which gives you easy access to your belongings. And right further behind that will be your water heater as well for maintenance. And then kitty corner to the bunks will be a storage area for the kids. Has a nice hanging rod and 2 shelves beneath that. So I'm telling you, you have a ton of storage in this brand new floor plan by Keystone. So let's head on in the bathroom. You'll see you have a foot flush porcelain toilet, a nice shower surround with a vent fan up top. Your shower curtain is curved. You have a mirrored medicine cabinet for all your belongings, a nice large sink and vanity with storage beneath that. And this bathroom does give you enough room to get ready in the morning after a shower, or get on with your day. Plenty of room to move around in here. So now in the front of this hideout will be the master bedroom with a secondary door, nice storage, and a secret spot for more storage as well. So let's take a look. And we have this nice size sliding door for your privacy. Open it up and head on in. Again, you have mirrored side wardrobes, upper shelf for more storage. You have plugs on both sides of the bed to charge your phones or alarm clocks, and storage beneath as well. And then you have cross ventilation with the open windows and a nice sized door again for entry and exits. And then in the corner, they actually added a nice smart spot for extra storage. As we go in here, you'll see that it has shelves all the way down. So I get a lot of complaints about not having enough bedroom storage. Well, in this hideout, you have it all. You have 2 fireplaces, 2 large beds, a hidden pantry, good sized bathroom, and bedroom storage. You really do get it all in this Keystone Hideout. Well, there we have it. We completed a walk around on this brand new floor plan by Keystone Hideout, the 29DFS. I know it has a lot of great features, so please come and see me to walk through it yourself, or give me a call with any questions. I can reach at 616-965-9623. Again, I'm Joel Tucker, so please let me know what I can do for you.